is, may pressure ka bang nararamdaman na dapat matapatan o mahigitan pa ang naging tagumpay ng The Iron Heart?
There's always pressure. And if you want to succeed in this industry, you have to shine with that pressure. Diba? Pressure is always part of it. But there's a saying that you're only as good as your last project. But this time around, I'm very thankful that I'm surrounded by a great group of artists, a great group of creatives. And I think we're going to push the boundaries again with this one. We're going to elevate the action once again with this one. And this time around, unsung kami. You know, hindi lang ako may pressure. Medyo napapasa ako sa kanila yung pressure. Diba? So, nadi-dissipate yung pressure, which is actually a better feeling. We're working as a team, and you know, the pressure is as a team. But we enjoy that pressure, and you know, we have no choice but to shine with that pressure.
Speaking of pressure, Richard, this one goes out to Daniel. Daniel Padilla. As someone who comes from a family of action stars, kumusta ang pressure that you're fully embracing action? And that is from Natalie Tumao, from Philippine Star.
Hindi, ano lang, wala naman silang binibigay na pressure sa akin. So, wala rin naman akong nararamdaman na kaba o ano na kung ano dahil. Ko alam eh. I'm just doing my best, you know. So, kung ano kalabasan ng that's it, you know. Kung ano man, basta I'm doing my best and I'm proud sa mga nagagawa namin lahat as a group. Sa trailer pa lang, I'm excited. Parang excited na mapakita rin sa airport ko to. Parang punish siya sa akin.
I like that answer. It's a good answer because, like, you know what, in something like this, you gotta focus on yourself. You don't worry about anyone else. So focus on yourself. You are the one and only Daniel Padilla, right?
Iba-iba naman ang timpla namin, ano. I mean, magaling si Tito Robby, mahusay, syempre, di ba? Ang tatay ko nandun din, ang mga tito ko, pero iba-iba rin kami ng timpla. Tingnan natin kung ano naman ang may offer ko. So, yun lang.
Awesome.
Diba?
Such a humble answer, di ba? Tsaka ang nakuha ko dun sa sagot niya, imbes na pressure, may pride. Yung proud siyang, excited siyang ipakita na sa tatay niya, pero imbes na napapressure siya, parang excited siya na ipakita. So that's always good news, at excited na rin tayong lahat mapanood at sumisigaw sila, "We love you, DJ." Yes, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga fans na nandito ngayon. At ngayon naman, pumunta naman tayo sa isang nabuong love team.
Yes,
Wala
love
rin
team.
sa isang Netflix na, napanood natin sa Netflix na series, ang Can't Buy Me Love. Yes! Kai, congrats din sa success as Bettina. But of course, ang love team na I'm referring to ay ang Snowreen. Yes, Anthony Jennings and Marisa Cal, you are now together again sa isang project. So, can you tell us about your feelings nung natanggap niyo yung news na magiging part kayo together ulit sa isang project, you know, coming from the success of Can't Buy Me Love?
Well, noong una, parang binasa mo namin yung script, tapos nung nakita ko na parang, medyo may glimpse pa rin ng yung pagka-story. Hindi naman sobra, pero andun pa rin yung fun. So parang, sabi ko makaka-work ulit si Marisa. Alam ko naman na masarap katabaho sa Miss But yung mga eksena namin talagang pumapatong-patong kasi dami namin naiisip talaga na pwede kong bato tong lines na to, tapos sabayan mo ng ganito, yung mga ganun. So parang laging nagbibigayan kami palagi sa eksena. Happy ako maka-work ulit si Benji.
Super happy ako na maka-work ulit si Anthony. Nung nalaman namin na action yung gagawin namin, as in sobrang excited talaga kami. Well, ako, may pressure kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakasabak na action talaga. Ever. Siguro yung action lang na nagawa ko na dapa, ganyan. Pero, mga ganon. Pero dito talaga may intense training. And then, happy kami kasi yung mga scenes na nagawa namin so far, funny. Nakakaaliw ulit. Kami na naman magbibigay ng happiness. And yeah, excited na makasama ko nito.
Nakita nga rin namin sa trailer, may konting kilig part sa ganun.
Yes. Sweet, sweet.
Mga ganun. Oo, may
Teaser lang,
abangan.
teaser lang yan.
Teaser lang. Ano pa kaya yung mangyayari, di ba? But congratulations
Thank you.
on this project. Yes, okay. Now, let's go to our last two questions. And this is coming from Alex Brosas of Daily Tribune. And this is for everyone. Kung sino man po ang gustong sumagot. What is exceptional about the show na nagpa-accept sa inyo or to make you accepted? And also, medyo connected na rin doon, idikit na natin from Jimpy Alarcon of the Rewind channel. Out of all the projects that you've done in the past, what makes Incognito different? So yun. So bakit nyo tinanggap and what makes this different from other projects? Who would like to answer first? Mr. Baron Geisler?
Yeah, for me it's very new to me to really open my heart sa cast, sa crew. Everybody na mula sa writer, director. Then because of this show, mas maiyak ba? Mas nakakuha ko, yung mga kasama ko, hinihilan nila ako pataas paakyat. And they're really, like kay Direct Lester, the entire team no, ng Star Creatives, nung miniting nila over this show, they said, Baron, you know, we just want to help you straighten out your life, and we're here to support you. Tapos bonus pa yung nagtutulungan kami, may relationship talaga kami sa isa't isa. Like nung I flew to Japan to shoot a movie, message sa akin si DJ na, oh pare, ilipad ka, huwag ka magalat dyan. Ha? That really meant a lot to me, di ba? So nakita ko na sobrang laki rin ng changes ni DJ, nag-mature na rin siya. And then si Kuya Ian naman is my mentor, big brother, na kapag may mga questions ako about life, napaka-deep ni Kuya Ian. Kasi sa age, di ba, wisdom eh. Puno-puno ng wisdom. Space bro, pareho tayong, ano dito, medyo may edad. Tapos, yun lang. For me, I just want to continue doing my best, giving my all, to be a dependable actor, and to just open my heart sa hindi lang sa show na to eh. Kasi nadadala ko yung good attitude, manners, behavior sa iba pang mga nakakasama mong production. So I really am grateful sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, and Direct Lester, everyone. I love you guys, sa buong cast. I love you guys.
Hold on.